Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to JASMY video update. Now I'm really quite confused with what JASMY is going to do from this point onwards. Yesterday I made an update for you to say that before JASMY moves down to 2700 level, I was expecting JASMY to really go back up to 3700 to backtest this bear flag that we had. Okay, if you just watched the last time recap, you're going to see that that's exactly what we did, and according to the plan everything is working out. But what I'm concerned about is that if Bitcoin can still push it higher, because again, altcoins, they follow the lead of Bitcoin, and this is what the lead of Bitcoin tells me. We do have a chance for Bitcoin to move up to $18,800, nearly $19,000, and then from there get rejected and then move to the downside. So is this going to make JASMY move a little bit higher and invalidate the bear flag that he printed out? Still, that is a possibility that he can have. And by the way, if you could move higher, let me just remove some of the drawings here and let's talk about the potential place you can go for rejection. So this is one trend line that you probably could go back to retest if Bitcoin actually moves up. And first of all, if you want to move up to this line right over here, there are certain conditions that we must see, and that is to break 3895. That means destroy the flag itself like this and move above the flag, backtest the flag, and then you're good to move higher and higher to that trend line to 4327. And if you get lucky enough, I'm not saying try to place a trade, this is not even confirmed right now, so that's actually a 15% move up, because that's what I'm looking for Bitcoin. Does it mean that JASMY is going to be bullish again or something? No, maybe, but short term is just a retest of that trend line, because you did have this one touch here, second touch right there, third one right here, you broke to the downside. Maybe just go back for the back test. That's what makes sense, but that is only if you try to move above 3895 at the moment. So that's pretty much it for this update. Quick one. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.